We got a package, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so today we get rid of this. And before I even start off, I'm going to give you guys some revs so you can hear how the stock intake sounds with the blow off compared to the CTS turbo intake once I get it in there. Give it a sec to warm up. Alright, we warmed up, so I'm going to displace the camera here. I truly hope it's not too far away, but this will do. Okay, so I just absolutely murked my address off the boxing so that you guys could see the unboxing of the product. So I want y'all to, spam real one in the comment section because I didn't even want to get scissors for that. So that was a lot more work than it really had to be. But regardless, we getting into this box. We'll see what I want. Alright, here. Watch, I'm gonna open it and there's gonna be like a receipt. I'm gonna have to like edit out. We use the scissors, bro. Not this guy. Alright. Not bad. Okay, so they gave us a little, what's that? A little air freshener from where I got it from. And what is this? Okay, stickers. Word. Not bad. And yeah, so alright, here's a filter. Clamp, a bracket. I'm pretty sure this is where the sensor plugs into, like here. It's a piping, metal. And then pretty much the cover for the filter. But yeah, and that's it. So we're gonna get straight to installing, and yeah. Not bad. Okay. show you guys this. So it looks like I gotta transfer this piece here to fit on this one here, right? You see that? So I'm gonna just grab a Torx so that way I can do that transfer quickly now. And when you take out the sensor, this is what it looks like. Just like this. And then all you want to do is put it in this one, literally like that, pretty much. Alright, so a little update. I got the heat shield in here. Had to take out a bolt right about here, and then put the heat shield in, then put the bolt in, and then there's a little grommet that you have to utilize there, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so yeah, we got the heat shield on, and now we're just gonna put in this piece here, and then I can put the filter onto this side. So yeah, I put the sensor on and everything. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys that, but yeah, so let me just try to pop this on. Everything else is still loose, so that way like I'm not I don't have to readjust. Keep things simple, you know. All right. Okay. That's funny, y'all seen all 3 bolts. I skipped. Alright, tighten this one here. It's in, right? Yeah. Oh, I need a... That's funny. Oh my gosh, man. I'm all over the place. I'm eager now. Flathead. Okay. That's all goody. So that should be everything. Now I just gotta plug in. That is funny. I really did that. I have to make this. I have to put the sensor positioning like here. All right, that's all good. I'll just loosen it and then fix it up. Okay, so I adjusted it. Plug it in. And then I'll tighten it based off how it all fits. Okay. All right, I think we should be good. Okay, I see. So there's like a bracket underneath here, and it fits like a groove to fit underneath this metal piece here, right? And I'm pretty sure you could adjust it and bring it up so that way it doesn't touch any of your coolant hoses here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift it up actually, so that way I'm not sitting on the coolant hose. I'm a bit higher. Makes sense. I guess it's all in the design, but it didn't come with any instructions, just so you guys know. So you see what I'm going through, what I'm trying to do here. Alright, so you know, everything's a learning experience, but we made that adjustment. We lifted up the bracket, so now it's not sitting on the coolant hose here. And yeah, we're all installed. So now for the startup, so you guys can see how exactly how it sounds. for a bit, and then we'll get some revs in so you guys can hear the difference. You should be able to hear a blow-off valve a bit more, and also you'll be able to hear the intake, obviously, which is like the breathing of the engine sucking in the air a lot more clearly and a bit more defined, a bit more muscular. So hopefully that's what the turno is, but we're just gonna let it warm up for a bit, and then I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. Are you crazy? This thing's next level. If y'all have one of these cars, man, I swear to you, how long I waited for this was way too long. Okay? So anyone that has this car, man, I'm telling you, you guys gotta do this little mod, man. Even though I'm not sure how much it does for horsepower and you know, performance, but regardless, the sound alone should be a sell-off for you guys. Or is sell-off the right word? I think, I don't know. It should be able to, you know, get you guys to buy it. So definitely CTS turbo. This is an intake to get. I hear MST is pretty good too, but I went to CTS turbo and the results have me smiling. So that's about it for this video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Prove 'em. It's Jordan from NCAE. Later.